Summer Wells on the milk jugs in Grandma Candy's truck is a video that is constantly talked about in this case. From Summer's sleeping position on cold milk jugs to the clothing she wore on that day. I mean, it's a very important video since it is apparently the last footage of Summer before she vanished on the 15th June. We are going to focus specifically on the pants, jacket and t-shirt she had on. This outfit was bought for Summer's first day of kindergarten, although many say it would not be an appropriate first day of school outfit since it is still hot in August, but that is the story according to Candus and Don. The entire outfit can be bought on sale at Walmart for $17.98. If we look closely, we can clearly see the pants is not gray. In fact, it looks more navy blue in my opinion. Summer Wells' missing poster is then inaccurate again. It was initially reported that she wore gray shorts. The official missing poster reports Summer wearing a gray pants and a pink t-shirt. Do you agree that the pants is not gray? I'm also wondering if authorities looked at the footage of Summer sleeping on the milk jugs with the knowledge that she was last seen with that outfit. If so, where did the inaccurate information come from?